Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are all doing well. It's me, Alina Sarfraz, your history teacher. Today, we will continue our history from chapter The Spread of Islam in Europe and Asia. आप सोच रहे होंगे हम जिंदा नंबर 2 क्यों स्टार्ट करें बिकॉज इन प्रीवियस क्लास 6 we read the chapter about rise of Islam. So this is basically extension of that chapter. ये उसी चैप्टर के आगे से है आफ्टर खुलफा राशिदीन जो रूलर्स हैं ये उनके बारे में है तो हम इसलिए यूनिट नंबर 2 से कवर करेंगे एंड इन टुडेस लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द टॉपिक द उमायद एम्पायर सो लेट्स बिगिन आवर लेक्चर So before starting our lecture, let's see the learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, students, you will be explained what the Umayyad Caliphate was, describe the administration and governance of the empire, and understand how the empire expanded into Europe and Asia, and identify the important Umayyad rulers. And at the end, we will analyze the reason of their end. First of all, let's see who were Umayyads. So, after the period of rightly guided caliphs, leadership of the Muslim world passed to the Umayyad family. खुलफा राशिदीन के बाद जो है खिलाफत उमायद फैमिली के पास आ गई और आफ्टर उमायद द खिलाफत मूव्स इनटू अब्बासिद फैमिली. So the Umayyad Caliphate was established in 661 CE by Muawiyah I. During their rule, the Islamic empire expanded greatly and became one of the greatest empires in the world at that time. But they make some changes in system and they also begins the family rule. इन्होंने 90 ईयर्स तक के लिए रूल किया था एंड ड्यूरिंग देयर रूल इस्लामिक सल्तनत सबसे ज़्यादा जो है फैल गई थी और सबसे बड़ी सल्तनत उस वक्त की बन गई थी. बट दे चेंज द सिस्टम ऑफ चूजिंग लीडर्स. हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम और खुलफा राशिदीन बेसिकली वोटिंग और जिस पे सहाबा ज़्यादा जिसको प्रेफर करते थे मतलब वोट देते थे उनको अपना खलीफा चूज करते थे. बट ड्यूरिंग द उमाय्यद्स दे स्टार्ट टू रन द लीडरशिप इन देयर ओन फैमिलीज. इन्होंने क्या किया कि फैमिली रूल बिगिन कर दिया. वो क्या होता है बेसिकली फादर के बाद सन एंड आफ्टर सन उसका सन ऐसे रूल जो है मूव करता जाएगा और खिलाफत अपनी ही फैमिली में जो है दूसरे को पास करते जाएंगे. फैमिली से बाहर नहीं जाएगी और राइट ऑफ वोटिंग जो है बेसिकली इन्होंने ख़त्म कर दिया था. A huge empire. During the time period of 661 to 750 CE, the Umayyads created a very large empire that spread across 3 continents, Asia, Africa, and Europe. At its greatest extent, the empire stretched from Spain in the west, across North Africa and the Middle East, all the way to the parts of Central Asia and the Indus River. This made the Umayyad Empire one of the largest empires in history, and Muslim armies crossed into Europe and established Muslim rule in parts of Spain in 711 CE. So basically, during their rule, Islamic Sultanate, जो Islamic Empire, वो दूर दूर तक फैल चुकी थी and they even ruled for 90 years. हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ये ज़रूर डिस्कस करेंगे how the Islam spread in Europe, especially in Spain and Portugal. Umayyad administration. Because the empire was so large, the Umayyads created an organized system of government. So some important features of their administration include Arabic language, creation of government offices to handle different government affairs, standard money, they introduced the dirham as their money to strengthen their economy and trade, building projects. They have built many beautiful mosques and hospitals during their rule. So basically, इन्होंने provinces create किए और and every province had a governor who managed local administration. ये हमने already different civilization में पढ़ा था कि they create the province और प्रोविंस में वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स रखते हैं जो सारे उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के काम देखते हैं। सेकंड, द मेकिंग ऑफ अरबिक लैंग्वेज ऑफिशियल। अब्दुल मलिक ने अरबिक को ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज बनाया था टू हैंडल द गवर्नमेंट अफेयर्स, government offices. They create the different government offices to handle different government matters. Standard money. So during the Umayyad rule, they introduced dirhams. इन्होंने dirham introduce करवाए to strengthen their trade and economy. Dirham is also known as Islamic coin, and still dirham is used in many different Arabic countries. Key Umayyad rulers. There are two key rulers who made the Umayyad dynasty stronger. First one is Muawiyah, who ruled from 661 to 680 CE. Basically, he was the main founder of Umayyad dynasty. He established the tradition of power being passed on through families, and he established the capital in Damascus, in Syria. So Muawiyah Syria se the, so they made the Damascus, the main capital of their dynasty. The main focus of his rule is to keep the things stable and be practical in how he governed. Second one is Abdul Malik ibn Marwan, who ruled from 635 to 705 CE. Abdul Malik strengthened the administration. He made the Arabic language official, and he also introduced the Islamic coinage called dirham. End of the Umayyad rule. Despite their power, the Umayyad rule eventually came to an end. Several reasons led to their fall. Some people were unhappy and got jealous, and they turned into their enemies. They lost their military strength. The Abbasid, who were related to Prophet, gathered a large army to fight the Umayyad leader. Basically, जो उमायद और अब्बासिद हैं, ये सेक्टर बेस्ड इन्होंने इस्लामिक एम्पायर में रूल किया था. अब्बासिद who follow the Hazrat Muhammad, they were Sunni, and the Umayyad are from Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha, so they follow the Shiaism. So the last ruler of Umayyad fled to Egypt and left their empire into Abu al-Abbas hands. So जो main success and the key success of Umayyad to bringing the civilization into Europe, especially into Spain during the Dark Ages. Let's quickly revise what we learned today. We learned about first family rulers of Umayyad and how they spread the Islamic culture and Arabic language. Third one, the creating of largest Islamic empire. Fourth, the introduction of new ways to handle our largest empire in world. So students, here is your homework task. Before performing this task, make sure to listen this lecture and then do book reading of page number 8, 9 and 10 from book. Then you will be able to answer these questions. Make sure to answer these questions in your notebooks. So kindly complete your homework. We will discuss it when you return to school. Allah Hafiz and take care.